This is Article 112 from the Norwegian Constitution. Listen to this. Every person has the right to an environment that is conducive to health and to a natural environment whose productivity and diversity are maintained. Natural resources shall be managed on the basis of comprehensive, long-term considerations which will safeguard this right for future generations as well. The authorities of the state shall take measures for the implementation of these principles.
Around the world, 90 countries have the right to a healthy environment explicitly stated in their constitution, or implicitly recognized through the right to life or the right to health.
On November 14, Norway's first ever climate lawsuit will start here inside the walls, where Greenpeace together with Nature and Youth are taking the Norwegian state to court in order to stop new licensing of oil fields in the Arctic.
Climate change is a global crisis, and the rights, our rights that are at stake, they're universal. And that's why what happens inside a Norwegian courtroom may very well resonate in courtrooms around the world. If we win in court, we will keep millions of barrels of oil in the ground. If we win in court, we'll send a direct message to fossil fuel companies that they can no longer invest in these type of extreme projects.
It is wrong to continue to hand out new oil licenses when we cannot afford to burn even the oil that we have found.
If we win in court, we will inspire and encourage others around the world to also stand up and hold their governments and corporations to account.